Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a promo code on your Shippo account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goshippo.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shippo website, from which you can click on the login button at the top section and then enter your email address and your password to log in. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the orders page, from which if you wish to add a promo code, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will take you into the settings page, from which you can scroll down and then click on billing underneath account. Now within this section, you will see the promo code option. Just type in your promo code within the given box, and once you type in your code, click on the apply button and this promo code will be applied to your account right away, and you will get the reward associated with it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enter your promo code on the Shippo account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.